have my flow, I have my beat. I can't stop it, there is no repeat. This fucking life is running away, and definitely there is no replay. No beat, no sense, but I'm not going into defense. Don't defeat yourself. Believe in the things you do, and there will be always a breakthrough. Just started my own and I don't care what you think. Brain-breaking stuff just makes me tough enough. I'll just make it my own way. In this sick world there's enough space, and I'm sure I'll find my fucking little place. Music to do without any crew, without any crew. It's never too late, it's never too late. It's never too late, it's never too late.